Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing this elegant and timeless half-up hairstyle. Plus, I'll show you a quick and easy trick to hide your hair elastic for a polished finish. Now, every elegant hairstyle starts with the base, so begin with clean detangled hair. I'm using the Kenra Pearl Detangler because it adds a beautiful shine and protects against heat. Next, add a generous amount of mousse. This will create long-lasting curls without the stickiness or stiffness. After blow drying, curl all your hair in the same direction with a 1¼ inch curling iron. And for those classic Hollywood curls, gently comb through all your curls until you're left with a soft bend. Then smooth over your favorite oil. This step adds a gorgeous shine, smooths flyaways, and protects against humidity. Now start by tracing a few inches back from your hairline down to in front of your ears and section this off on both sides. Now try your best to keep the sections clean and even. Next, bring these sections together at the back of your head, slightly higher than your ears for that lifted look. Now smooth the hair back with a comb, and once it's neat, my favorite part, spray it with hairspray to tame any flyaways and create that polished finish. And then secure tightly with a clear hair elastic, and here's an easy trick to hide it. Take a French pin and slide it upwards through your elastic, then section off a thin piece of hair and wrap it tightly around your elastic 2 to 3 times. Secure the section with a bobby pin and slide it through the French pin, and then pull your French pin down through the elastic to lock everything in place. Or add your favorite hair accessory. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.